I'm Natalie Adamson. I'm cook in charge at Ysgol Mae. So there's myself, cook in charge, and then 3 assistants that I have, and they will do all the prep that we need to do, take deliveries in, any general cleaning down and things like that. When we're doing the new menus, we bring foods in that we want them to try. We get their feedback. We encourage them so much to try different things that we need them to like what we're doing. Our typical day is preparing all the food that the children eat. It can be from anywhere between 290 to 350 a day that I get told as the children come to the hatch what they want. It's a really good environment to work in. I love working in my kitchen. We have such a good laugh, my team especially. We just all pull together, just get on, and it's nice. I can have the holidays off of my son. I don't have to worry about childcare, things like that. I just love doing it. I love seeing the children's faces. I love coming to work. Sometimes it's quite hard for people to find that good work-life balance, and being in the catering team, I have got that.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. conwy.gov.uk/Swyddi.